Hi everyone, now I will show you how to install the Python and how to execute the Python program, that is a Bloomfilter. To install the Python you have to write the sudo apt install Python. See, we want latest version, then you have to specify the version, which version you want, that will be installed in your system. See, mine is already installed, so it is not going to be updating anything. If I am installed the Python 2, if I want to update to the Python 3, then it will automatically do that one. If you specify the Python 3, then it will automatically do the things. See, if you now we have to write the Python program. See, I am going to execute the Bloomfilter Python program. This one, this is already there. We are going to be executing this one. To execute this one, I need the mmh3 and the bit array. These these packages we are going to be installing in our system. How to install this? You have to type the pip install mmh3, then it is going to install this one. It is already installed, so it is not going to be updating anything. Next, bit array. See what all the packages are necessary for our program execution, that you have to install. Now everything is installed, my system is ready for the execution. Python 3, I have to specify the bloom file name .py, then it is going to be executing. This is the Python output for the Bloomfilter. It is going to filter the things which are correct, then it is going to be showing these things. This is how the Bloomfilter program is going to be executing.